Before we get started with this video, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to advise you not to give up. Creating a game is not a race. It is a journey. Because the finish line is wherever you make it. Think of creating a game as a long hiking trip in the wilderness with a destination of your choosing. During the trip, there will be obstacles and beautiful sceneries along the way that you must navigate through or around. Like a hiking trip, you will never fail when creating your game until you completely give up on going forward. Each obstacle and setback in creating your game or design is a valuable learning experience that will push you forward towards making your trip or game creation better, as long as you do not give up and say, "That's it, I'm going home." Most times, the best thing you could do when facing an obstacle in your game creation is stop, give yourself a break, and look around you and enjoy the beauty of where you've arrived. That sort of break may give you the appreciation and drive to boost through all obstacles in your way. That's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.